Alright guys, so we bought ourselves something this year because we want to do some fishing. Now my fishing rods were in the shed for a long time and they got smashed up by a bunch of stuff that was on top of it. And yeah, they're not in good shape anymore. They've been there for a very long time. I haven't gone fishing in a very, 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 very long time. But we're going to go fishing this summer. You need a fishing license here in Ontario. But there's a couple times in July, a couple days in July, and a couple other times during the summer, I think, and in the fall, that it's free to go. You don't have to get the license to get it, to go out there and actually fish. So we got ourselves a kit. Nothing spectacular, but I think it's just good enough for me and Jay. You know, we're just starting out fishing here. So it's called TripQuip. Okay. Now, we got this off of Amazon, okay? And it has 2 fishing rods in here. It has the reel, so here's the reel that goes on it. Got the blue one. Got the purple one. That's going to be mine, obviously. And we got 2 fishing wire, high quality fishing line. 16 pounds. We got some tackle, some bait kind of thing, but I got a big tackle box full of stuff, so I'm not too worried about this. But yeah, this is good to have anyways, right? As you can see, there's quite a bit in there. For a starter kit, why not, right? You know? It's got the worms and all that stuff. The little beads. So, there we go. And the 2 fishing poles come in this handy dandy little thing here. So yeah, I guess I'll have to release that, but I don't want to release it right now. But there we go, guys. That's the fishing pole. It's extendable. Don't want to open this though. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I see it now. I thought you had to break it and stuff. So you take this and you just extend it. Extend it, extend it, extend it. So it's got, quite a length on it. See? There we go. And you put your fishing reel on there on the side. Jay's going to do that for me. I don't know how to do this, guys. I'm going to figure it out eventually. But you know what? I got a fishing rod. We got a fishing rod. We both got a fishing rod. Jay's not much of a fisherman either, but he went fishing with his dad quite a bit, so he knows more than I do, and I haven't fished in years, so yeah. We're going fishing, guys. That's what we're doing this summer with the fishing kit. So I thought that was pretty cool. And it was on Amazon. Was there a deal on it, Jay? It was a Prime Days deal, and it was $59.88. We ordered it yesterday, got it today. So, yeah, happy about that. So we're gonna take that fishing and have a nice fishing trip this summer. So stay tuned for those videos. So note to self, I am going to put this package, once it's done and we're done fishing and everything else, it's going to stay in the house and it's going to go in the storage room downstairs. This way it won't get ruined, because my other rods were ruined. Not that we paid much on the other rods as well, but yeah. So that's the nice little kit. Comes with a little zipper kit. 2 handles on it, so you could take it anywhere you go in the back of your car. You know, walk down the trail when you're going in the bush, you're going to a lake or something. There we go.